In this lab, we're going to conduct a scan of our Kioptrix1 machine through Kali, and we're going to detail our steps of network enumeration, and this is just a subtype of footprinting, which involves compiling a list of available networks and server information. So first I'm going to run ifconfig and find what our Kali IP address is. And we can see right here, this is going to be our Kali IP address. So now we're going to do a ping sweep of the network. So we're going to run an nmap and then type in our IP address /24. And this is going to search and try to discover our Kioptrix1 machine. So now that this is ran, we can see that it lists all the pings it discovered, and right here looks to be our Kioptrix1 machine. And so we can see that port 80 is open for HTTP, so we can actually verify this is our Kali by going to our website and typing in that IP address. And we can see that this looks to be our Kali. So now that we did our ping sweep and got our Kali IP address, we're going to run some other nmap commands. So this one, nmap switch O, is going to look for the operating system. It's going to be a best guess. And we can see down here that it thinks it's running Linux 2.4, and we have some other information as well. So now we're going to run another service scan, and this is going to be nmap v and this is going to look for services in a more detailed analysis. So we can see we get versions over here, and it's giving us a more detailed analysis on our Kioptrix machine. And now we're going to run an intrusive scan as well. And this is going to be just a more intrusive scan on the services and operating systems. And we can see it came back with a lot of good information. So for our enumeration and footprinting, now we really just need to look into this and see if we can find any vulnerabilities with the versions they're using, or anything that could potentially allow us to get in. But there's also some other nmap commands we could run as well. And this is going to specify a network interface. And then we can, if we wanted to do some firewall evasion, we could do an augmented packet scan, which would be nmap switch F. And then we can do a RPC scan, just switch SR. And then our last scan we're going to do is an nmap switch SS. And this is a TCP SYN scan, and it's half open because the three-way TCP connections is not established. So this is developed to be more stealthy. And there we have it.